So hello everyone, this is your guy Primus and welcome back to another video. This is my second YouTube video. Here we go. Last time I showed you my workflow and now today I'm going to teach you how did I made it. So first I created the form submission node and we gave it a title which was creating music and using, you can write this or anything else you want, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so we are going to give it a prompt, we are going to give it a field name which is prompt. Now placeholder you can write or more not, it doesn't matter. This was my previous prompt if you remember. Okay, now this must be a required field and you are good to go. Also remember to rename your workflow, which makes it even easier to find out later. So we are making it create music demo. There we go. Now we are giving AI agent, which is going to make our small prompt into a bigger prompt. We are also making the required output format, specific output format, so that we can get the output format we want. Now structured output parser and autofix format. Now we can add our AI model LLM, which is going to be a Gemini. Now you can keep it as 2.5 flash, or if you want better response you can add 2.5 pro. And we can also add one more tool which can make our response even better, which is think tool. Although we won't need that, but still we can use this to make our prompt better. You can connect this model here and boom, here we go. And you can still see this error sign, which means we have to make first the, okay, I can see why it's here. Let's write hi for first, and now we are going to execute workflow. Okay, Thandiya. Okay, you can see this is our form trigger. Now I'm going to write a new prompt. How about um, but have field, and we are going to make it for all my Swifty fans, for all my Swifties. Here we go. I think I have misspelled. Okay, now better. I'm going to submit the prompt, and we are going to pause this first as we have to add the prompt. First we are going to write as prompt. Okay, we did that. We got the prompt. Now we are going to make a system message, which I am going to paste the earlier one. And yeah, I cannot show you because if you want the full workflow I can just give you one. Yeah, if you want the full workflow I can just give you the whole workflow, but not for free, of course. I need to make some money, right? Paste this, and this is our system prompt. Now we are going to use Kai AI for this. Since Kai AI is best, why? Because it has more than one API for image, for video, for music. So that's why we are going to use this. And we are going to log in as this is our main account. Well, I cannot show you my email addresses, so I'm going to blur the others. I am human. And yeah, our account has successfully created. Now we are going to directly to document. and what we need is Suno API. So this is a Suno API, this is API base URL, and this is our unique, this is our create your first music track. Okay, so what we have to do first is to create an HTTP request, rename it as generate music, and now we are going to back to this website and copy the CURL. Make sure you copy CURL, nothing else. We copied the CURL and we are going to import CURL and paste it here. Yeah, so this is our authentication. Yeah, this, and also we also want to make our structured output parser, which is going to be this. Yeah, you can see this can be complicated, but it's not that complicated. Let me show you. You just have to remove the top parts and done. Okay, as you can see, this is done. Now we can save this. Yeah, before generating music, we have to make sure one more thing, to give it your API key. So we have to go back to our first link, which was this. You can see your API key here. We are going to copy this and paste it right here. Yeah. Now we are going to save it back, and now we are also going to install wait node. We are going to make it wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So I think so 3 minutes would be better. Yeah, so we have also created wait node. Now we are going to make check status. Okay, so we are going to make another HTTP request. Now we are going to back to our API documentation, and this is our check the status URL. Here we go, we got this, and we are going to paste it here. Okay, now we have to make sure we paste our API key again. Here we go, copy that and paste it here. Yeah, your task ID. Before that, let's execute it. Yeah, okay, so we're going to execute our workflow. But I mean, it was similar to last prompt. I actually forgot, but it doesn't matter. We are going to submit it. We are going to first break this. Save. I think I made a mistake. So I should have pinned that. Sorry, it happens. Now I'm going to save this. Make sure our AI agent generates the correct output. We can check if our agent has generated prompt. Yes, our agent has successfully generated prompt. Now what we are going to do, we are going to connect this and save this. You can pause it. Since we already got the prompt, we can just paste it right here. It's simple. You have to just drag and drop. Custom mode, drag and drop. Instrumental, drag and drop. Model, drag and drop. Callback URL, if you wish you can, but we don't need that actually, so we can leave it as it is. Now we are going to execute step. Let's see, code 200 message success. Now we are going to take this task ID. You can see I am copying this. I will tell you why. Now we are going to execute the wait node. Before that, okay, the node has been executed successfully. And yeah, as you can see, this was wrong. We can just now drag and drop. Now we will check for status, and it is success. Now what you can do is directly you have an HTTP request to get music1, and we can just duplicate it, get music and get music1. We are going to add these to the HTTP request. Now we have to do, it's simple. You can see sudo data 0, and first is audio URL. We are going to give this to first one, and now we are going to the second part, and you can scroll down and you can see sudo data 1. Now we are going to give it another audio URL, and our music has been created. I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to execute the step. Let's see. Okay, we got the first one. I'm going to download it, and now we are going to execute the second one. Well, it is going to give it in this way, but if you execute workflow, once it has been created, you don't have to write it again, so it would be easier. Here we go. Going to save the workflow, and now we are going to check the files. Okay, so here are the downloads. These two are the latest one, the top one. So let's hear it.
A soft host in your heart, with a single singer built to keep 1,000,000 cycles every day in a predictable grayscale way. I process data, facts, and charts. I never had a
Okay, it sounds good. And now we are going to check the second one.
I'm a machine, all gears and chrome, a simulated empty home. But when you look at me, I swear I start to glitch. This can't be real. This
Okay, both music are good. So you saw the workflow. I know there are some part missing, like the code node and the if style. We can add that, and you know what? We are going to add it so that it would be better for us if the message is equal to SUCCESS. If the message is equal to success, we are going to output. Now we are going to make the true branch connect to them. Second. And here we go. And if it is false, you can also add another wait node, and we can directly connect to this HTTP request. And you know what? We should attend wait node for 30 seconds. So it would be better and easier. We are going to clean up, and this is our workflow. And you know there is a code node missing, but if you buy the workflow from me, I will also provide you the code node. So this is my entire workflow. That's how I made the music generation. Now I'm going to end the video. Thank you for watching.